Yo, 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 what up, though? It's your boy Detroit. You already know. And I'll be riding. Yo, what's going on, Ride Nation? Tonight, we're going to take a cruise through the city and enjoy the nightlight with no sun. Grab your helmet. Come on, ride with your boy. About to take a night cruise through Phoenix. Holla at.
Recording.
All right, take this night cruise. Let's go jump on the freeway and roll around real quick. Hey, there go wifey. Just coming back from getting the kids some Chipotle. It's getting dark out here. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see me. Oh, Sadie Mae sounding good tonight. We need to take her out at night a little more often. Get that good night wind, that good night air going. And run, get that night air in her lungs. Breathing better. Feels pretty good out here tonight too. Now that the sun has gone down, I think we tapped out at like maybe 108, 109 today, and it's probably down to probably 102, 103, somewhere in there right now. Which them 6 degrees make a big difference when it's triple digits. So right now though, it feels really good out here, man. It's still hot, but it is not scorching hot because the sun's not just like beaming down on you. So it feels really good. This is night cruising through Phoenix, AZ. Let's go down here and jump on the 17 to the 10. take that down to 10p, somewhere in 10p, and then maybe get off. Ride back down baseline. We're just going for a quick little cruise tonight. Nothing serious. Just wanted to take Sadie Mae out and let her run a little bit, open up her lungs, especially now that it's cooled off. I usually don't talk a whole lot when I'm riding because I'm trying to focus on what's in front of me and what's going on around me. Definitely have to drive and ride on the defense. So, not a whole lot of conversation for y'all. All right, my peoples, here we go. We made it down to the 17. I'm going to ride this around to the 10. I don't know, maybe even the 60. We'll see how I'll feel when I get there. Big little bump. We might need to come fix that. All right, come on, Ford Escape. It's time to make this run, baby. Challenger, Charger in the way. Got through there. Open that windshield up. Let some air in here. It's warm. Very, very warm. I want to pass him before we open up on the 10 right here. I'm telling you, when we transition to the 10 around this curve, it's like a dang no Autobahn Grand Prix. These cars be moving, boy. So I had to go ahead and go around him because I'm going to be going faster than him, I already know. And I'm not even like speed racing. I'm like 80 miles per hour. Only got like 6 lanes on this part of the highway, so people be moving out. Try to be careful because 12 be around here too. They don't mind pulling your ass over. Somebody drove through here with some marijuana. I smell it. Got my skin crawling. No, just say no to drugs. Yeah, this is a good little night for a ride, man. It's warm, but it ain't super hot out here. It ain't super duper hot. Feels good. Highways are pretty clear. Just getting it in. Summer days in Phoenix. Uh-oh. Come on back up. Ooh, that was a good one. Good rip. Good rip. Not that far. It didn't last that long on the highway. Now we're going to cruise down baseline back to the crib. I just wanted to get out here for a minute, burn some gas, let Sadie Mae breathe and open up her lungs. that felt good. Good little run. Good little run. All right. All right. We are currently on Baseline Road in Tempe, Arizona. I'm headed west down Baseline back towards South Phoenix and Levine.
All right, that was pretty epic sliding through the city on the highway at night. I'm glad y'all decided to ride with me. You know what to do from here. Like, comment, and subscribe. Holla at your boy. Peace.